Well, hello. Expectations can go wrong. Your calculations may fall in the same category. Now, I'm not talking here about some mathematics prediction or the weather forecasting, which has been a major arcane to even the most sophisticated systems, because when it's about weather prediction, there's so many variables included that even a change or smaller, lesser known variable can have a huge impact on the outcome. The wind is blown and it rained, and something else happened to the direction of the wind, or there was some sort of low pressure created in some region. It changed the end outcome from sunny to cloudy, from cloudy to rainy, rainy to stormy. It happens even today. Those predictions suffer, and there is a probability of going true or not, whatever. It's easier said that they fail and they're not doing their job well, but when I get into this science of weather prediction, it's very interesting. And one of the factors that, or the theory of mathematics that works into it is chaos theory. Do you know about chaos theory? Chaos theory is something that there are many factors working for an outcome. You might have predicted those and have got those recorded into your experimentation for the outcome, but there might be many lesser known variables which have a huge impact, and the impact can be so huge that the outcome can be from the left to the right, towards that side what you have predicted, and it falls off to the other side. Have you seen the movie Butterfly Effect? It works on the same principles, and there's a very famous line that illustrates this behavior. A flap of a wing in Tahiti can bring a storm in Kansas. Now you should know Tahiti and Kansas are on the either side of United States, thousands of kilometers across. And see what a simple act of a flap of a wing of butterfly could amplify in itself into such a big event that brought the storm. Now that's not necessarily true in the term of direction or the outcome, or necessarily that flapping will have such a huge impact, but it may, there are chances that it can bring. Now this is something really interesting, and this can be applied to our lives also. You're making a small change in your life or daily routine, habit, practice, behavior, working, and when you add all those steps and see in the time frame of 10 years or 20 years, there'll be huge difference. I decide today that I'll do the business, I'll invest in so and so areas. Tomorrow I'll be somewhere which is very much different from the one. If I had decided to be sportsman or invest my time into learning some kind of skills that was more analytical into the sports theory, or well, sorry about that, there can be interruptions, and this very much exemplifies the chaos theory. I was not uh, anticipating such a kind of interference in the middle of my speech, but it did happen, and you can't do anything about it. Now, I had said some few things in a flow which I think made sense, and it would have been stupid for me to stop the video and just discard all the information that was provided. So this is something that you can apply in your life, and do not take these simple steps, actions, and decisions lightly. Make it good, make it impactful, and something that has a value to it, and do it sincerely, attentively, and with your full vigor, and you'll see how much difference you can create from your counterpart who has been missing that 2%. Just add that 1 or 2% and you will surprise yourself, and that's my promise. That's all from my side today. Over to you. Bye.